Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation here, guys. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk how we can fix it after that, guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will, guys, share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So the oil pressure sensor, also known as oil pressure switch fuses relays, guys, will be working in multiple fuse boxes today. Let's go ahead and explain now. First, guys, okay, that's what oil temperature sensor, oil pressure switch looks like. It detects how much pressure you have, if it's safe for the engine to run and all that stuff. You see that fuse box facing the engine on the right side, on the driver's side, as the main fuse box. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay? They look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Guys, this fuse box will differ. The 2012 to 2017 year model Volkswagen Tiguan is known as the facelifted version, and that's the fuse box. We will explain about 2008 to 2011 model in a little bit as well. First, we need to go ahead and check. Fuse numbers will be listed next to the fuses. We need to check fuse number 10. You see this fuse right here, number 10. Then we need to locate fuse number 13, 14, okay, 15, right here. 13, 14, 15, very important fuses. Check, guys, fuse number 7, excuse me, you may have 16 and 17, and fuse number 18, right here. Also, you need to locate fuse 23 and 24, and these two relays are for engine management as well. Now, if you have a 2008 to 2011, things will differ a little bit. The fuse box will look completely different, guys, and that's the layout right here. Specifically here, we need to check fuse number 10, this time is right here. 13, 14, 15, this fuse is right there. Then you need to check fuse number 20, 21, 23, 24, right here. And you need to check the two relays as well. Now, inside the car you have 3 more important fuses. Where they're located, open the driver door, guys. On the left side, okay, under the steering wheel. Right here you have a hidden fuse box. By the way, we have a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. It will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. It's on our channel, check it out. In that fuse panel here, in the middle row, that's fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12, fuse number 13, 14 and 15. these 3 fuses will need to be checked as well on your Volkswagen Tiguan. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.